The next software tool I want to tell you about is called ThriveCart. Now, ThriveCart is essentially a tool to manage payment processing for your online business. Now, ThriveCart has also evolved quite a bit because they were actually acquired as a company, and they have different features that have evolved beyond just accepting payments and being able to set up order forms, upsells, downsells, and all that good stuff. So now, I have previously spoken about System.io and the fact that it does all in one. So why would you need ThriveCart? Well, the answer is you don't need ThriveCart if you have System.io. However, in case of me and my business, I actually have a software company called ConfettiPage.com. And with ConfettiPage.com, I needed a payment processing function solution to be able to set up a way to accept payments and also a way to manage an affiliate program. And so ThriveCart was a good solution as a standalone software, which is independent of System.io, which is a separate business that I have my .com trips business. So my software company, the payments are going through ThriveCart, the affiliate program is managed through there and all that stuff. So if you are, for example, a WordPress customer and you're not using System.io, you want to use WordPress, ThriveCart is probably one of the better solutions to actually accept payments because it has different ways to set up upsells, downsells, manage your affiliate program. It's extremely robust. It's a very well-established company. And even though it's actually a lifetime deal, it's something that's been around for a long time and it's a great company. And, it's a company that a lot of mainstream marketers, online business owners actually use. Now, with ThriveCart, there is additional benefits as well in that it has some very good native integrations because if you are not using an all-in-one, ThriveCart actually works with a lot of the tools that are standalone. For example, for email marketing, ConvertKit, MailerLite, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, Aweber, Infusionsoft, all these software email marketing tools, they all have native integrations with ThriveCart. So you can actually have your email marketing with those tools, plus your WordPress site, plus ThriveCart. So it's a little bit of a tech stack, but when you have that tech stack, then ThriveCart is a great solution for that. They also have other products they have built included as part of ThriveCart. For example, they have a thing called ConvertBox, which is basically an advanced pop-up software. And this is something that I personally bought, although I do not at the time of recording use it too much, but I've seen some great use cases where people use it, where you can customize where to have different pop-ups, have little surveys around your page, things along these lines. Because there is no native integration with the System.io email marketing, it doesn't make a lot of sense for me to use ConvertBox so much because it's going to make it very painful on a lot of integrations. So I don't use it a lot. But again, if you are a WordPress person, if you are using tools that are not all in one, ThriveCart is a great solution for accepting payments. There's another tool that they have also provided called ThriveLearn. And this particular tool is basically where you can host your course. Now, with this particular course hosting, it's actually a really good solution. I've seen 2 memberships. One of them I've personally set up where they have set up their membership and online course in ThriveCart and ThriveLearn, and it looks great. The only issue is, again, there's no email marketing included. There's no video hosting included. So those are just additional costs you're going to need to be aware of in terms of what you're going to need in order to properly launch an online course. So you'll need an external video hosting such as Bunny.net or Vimeo or Wistia or Searchy or some such. So let's do a quick recap on ThriveCart. Who is it for? What is it for? So ThriveCart is essentially a way to set up an order form so people can pay you, subscription, pay for a digital product, things along these lines. Now, you want to use it, especially if you are using WordPress, it's a good solution, or if you're not using some sort of an all-in-one. So if you're not using System.io, if you're not using Kajabi, ThriveCart is a great solution. It has a really robust affiliate management tool. It also has a really robust upsells and downsells. It also has ThriveLearn, so you can actually set up your online course. And the whole thing is also a one-time payment. The only thing you need to factor in is email marketing costs and video hosting costs. So that's something that's going to be discussed separately, but if you are looking for a way to accept payments and have it as a one-time payment, then ThriveCart is a great solution.